Hey guys, Dan from Northkey here. Just showing you all the new stuff we're getting in stock every day. We get all kinds of things for auto, residential, commercial. We have all these awesome. Let's see if I put a light on here. You can see all they've got square. We got this nice bronze the set here from made by Quickset. It's rekeyable. We got Weiser. We got the square deadbolt. We got a round deadbolt. We got a rekeyable Weiser round knob there, nice black. We got a pocket door lock here, and whatever you need: padlock, real estate, storage, bicycle, auto. We doing all kinds of things. So contact us for whatever you need.